Are you ready to learn some real life English? Well, good, because today I'm going to teach you 5 common idioms you must know if you want to speak English better. So before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and like our stars. So the first idiom we're going to learn is in the same boat. So in the same boat means be in the same difficult situation as others. So you are in a situation with others, a difficult situation. For example, we are all in the same boat. We are all in the same boat. So means we are all in the same difficulty situation. Or my friend and I are in the same boat. So my friend and I have the same problem, or we have a difficult situations, same difficult situation. Let's jump to the next. The next is kill two birds with one stone. To kill two birds with one stone. So you kill two birds in one stone means achieve two things with one action. So you achieve two things in one action. So for example, I walk to school and exercise too. I kill two birds with one stone. So you go to school and exercise. So you kill two birds in one stone. Or he studies English while traveling. To kill two birds with one stone. He traveled and he studied English, so he killed two birds just one stone. Let's jump to the next. The next is second. Second idiom is feel under the weather. So to feel under the weather means feel sick or not well. When you having a bad day or sick, feeling headache, you can say feel under the weather. For example, I feel under the weather today. I feel under the weather today. So you're not feeling well today, or you just got headache. So you under the weather. She stayed home because she feel under the weather. She stayed home because she felt under the weather. So she was having headache or ill, or just, she was under the weather. She just sick. Let's jump to the fourth one. The fourth one is every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining means there is something good in every bad situation. There is something good in every bad situation. So when something bad happens, is some good in it, in that situation. For example, I lost my job, but I found a better one. Every cloud has a silver in it. So this person, he's lost his job, he's so worried, I was just scared, he just lost his job, but he got a better one. So to lose his job, he got a better one. So that means every cloud has a silver lining. So that means every bad situation, there is something good in it. Let's make another example. Don't worry, every cloud has a silver lining. So you say to your friend, if your friend complaining about something, or he just having a bad situation, and you just feel sorry for him and you want to encourage him to keep going, to push himself forward, you say, don't worry, every cloud has a silver lining. So don't worry, every situation, there is something good in it, in the situation. Let's jump to the last one. The last one is make a mountain out of a molehill. Make a mountain out of a molehill. So this means make a small problem seem very big. You make small problems seem very big. For example, it was a small mistake. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. Or he made a mountain out of molehill over a little problem. So he make little things, small problems seems bigger. He just complains about small things. When something a little bit happens, he just complains, saying this is, he making bad, he making worse small things he can solve. Or like saying learning English, it really, or learning practicing English 5 minutes is very hard. So 5 minutes everybody can practice English. It's not that hard. So you just make it small things a little bit bigger. Or if you hit a person hits you accidentally and you just complaining, why you hit me, you mean it, why. that is small problem. That person is accident. So you make a small problems a bigger. So that's guys, 5 common idioms is very useful, and if you use them, you would sound more professional. Use one of those at the comment so you can expand your English vocabulary. Let's just in recap, just let's repeat again a little bit. In the same boat. So in the same boat means be in the same difficulty situation as others. And the second is kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and means achieve 2 things with 1 action. And the second is feel under the weather, feel sick or not well. And the fourth is every cloud has a silver lining, means there is something good in every bad situation. And the last one is make a mountain out of a molehill. It means make small problems seem very big. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you do it all. If you didn't hit the like button, I'm telling you right now, hit the like button and join me, watch my other video, because I teach absolutely amazing words, idioms, phrases, expressions we use in our daily life, and this is how we learn English together. Have a good one, you all. See you next video.